Hello everyone! This is me again. Welcome to my vlog. Hi everyone! We're here at Soy Chicken at Ayala by the Bay. And Polgi's here. Polgi, ito na. Uy, so, we're gonna eat here. We ordered this one. It's a chicken satay. There's the sauce. I think this is a Singaporean dish. Thai pala. Kasi nga soy. So this is satay, the chicken satay. It's really good. Look. And then this is ano to? Thai omelette. This is Thai foods ha. This is Thai omelette. Ay, nadala. There. It's just egg. Fried egg. And then uy, ano yan?
Pad crow.
Pad bro.
Basta rice bowl siya.
Ano siya?
Pork.
This is pork. This is pork grounds and then with rice
Pork.
and then egg,
Egg
and
basil.
zucchini. But that's sister's, and she likes the egg yolk like that. It's really good. And then this one is Thai salad. Thai mango salad. So it has of course shaved mangoes, and then I don't know this, but it looks good. And there's sauce. And then this is a spring roll. So inside is veggies and chicken or pork. Vermicelli and kita na yung meat.
Baka pork.
I think this is pork, and then it comes with the sauce. You dip it in the sauce. So that's how you eat Asian food. You always dip the food or the dish on a sauce. So that's it. And then we ordered my Coke. Hear it? Do you hear that? There. And then they ordered green mango shake. So here in Asia, we do have green mangoes. That's like ano pa? Unripe mango, but it's sour and sweet at the same time. There. So that's all our food for today. We just went out to just hang out because it's weekend. So that's all po. Bye-bye. Oh, you see Polgi. She's looking at the outside. And she's wearing a dress. She was eating earlier, the Caesar. It's chicken flavor. She loves it. And now she's looking for people passing by. And there's dog. Bebe, there's dog. See, there's a dog there. She's looking at the dog. She's busy. She's always looking for and watching for people passing by. She loves it. So, she never, bark while we eat. So, we're gonna eat na. Bye everyone! Oh, you say bye-bye naman, guys. Bye-bye!